Hi guys, in this lecture I'm going to show you how to install VirtualBox on Windows 11 machine. But first I would request you to please subscribe, like and share. Okay. Now first of all I need to open the Google Chrome browser, and in the search bar I will type download VirtualBox, and then I'm going to click this link virtualbox.org/wiki/downloads. Then since I'm using the Windows machine, so I'm going to click this Windows host, and this will start the download process. Okay, it will take some time to complete. I already have this file in my system, so I'm going to cancel it, and I will open the exe file which I have already downloaded. So double click this exe file, and this will open up the installer file. Click yes, and it will start the installation. Okay, then click next. Then you have to accept the terms and condition. Click next. Okay, this is where it will be installed. Just leave the settings as it is. Click next, click yes, and click next. Okay, and then install, and it will begin the installation process. Oracle VirtualBox 7.1.6 version is installing at the moment. Okay, it has been installed. Click finish, and it will open the Oracle VirtualBox for me. Okay, so from here you can create a new virtual environment. You can provide the ISO image, and you can just click finish, and then next step is to specify the hardware details. Okay, like for example RAM, CPUs, etc. Okay, so I hope you have gone through the process of installing this VirtualBox in Windows 11 machine. Thank you so much and have a great learning.